Hello friends, today we will be discussing on the topic indices, which is the most important chapter of mathematics. I will be discussing with the SEE examination point of view. So generally you have 24 marks question. You'll have a 24 marks question from indices, SCF and LCM, radical answers, algebraic fraction. Let us go to the meaning first. What this mean? Generally you have seen this term. This is a term, you know. So it consists of a base or variable which is known as a base. This is coefficient. This is a coefficient. This thing we have learned already. This is a power. The number or the quantity which is rise to the base is known as power, or it is known as exponent. NENT, exponent, or index, or what? Index. So as a whole we call these as an index number. The number having the index means power number. Index, NUMBL, index means power. In a plural sense, plural of index, PLURAL, plural of index number is indices. So indices, we got the point. What is indices? Indices is the plural form of index number, or the numbers having the power are indices. The numbers having the power are indices. Here we will learn how to operate these indices, or how to simplify the indices together. Okay. Now there are certain rules, or there are some verified rules or laws which are used for operating these indices. There are some verified laws which are used for the simplification of the indices, which are also known as laws of indices. We will be discussing on that now. What I am giving you, it is prerequisite requisite knowledge, because this thing you have learned in previous class only. Just a hint, in short I'll tell you what are these laws. First one is PRODUCT, product law or product rule, or this is also known as first law. So what else? When the indices having the same base, are in multiplication form, then they can be multiplied by keeping their base same. If they have same base, they can be multiplied. They have a base same. If they have same base, then they can be multiplied and adding their power. This will be the required answer. This is a required answer. Where m and n are what? Positive integer. Don't get confused. This are what we have supposed m and n, where m and n are positive integers. These are positive integers. Next one is quotient law. Let us go to the next one. That is QUOTIENT, quotient law or quotient rule. That is also second law. Okay, what this law tells, quotient means, you understand, the result that is obtained after division is quotient. So here also, when the indices having the same base are in division form, which also can be written as a to the power m upon a to the power n in fraction form. So while dividing the indices of a same base, that is a same base is there, they can be divided and their result can be obtained by subtracting their power. Third one, that one is power law. We say that as a power law of indices, or power law of indices, or you can say exponent law. Exponent also means indices has the power means a to the power 1, this is the index number. When it has a power, their power will be multiplied together to get the result. A to the power m into n, that is equals to a to the power mn. Okay, similarly you can say it like this. When AB has a power all, you can say this. When AB has a power m, then this whole power m is for this A also, B also. That means it can be written as A to the power m, B to the power m. Similarly, if A to the power n is there, B to the power p is there, whole to the power m, then this is, you can open this. This power is for this power will be multiplied with this while opening this bracket. This power will be multiplied with this power also, the power with the denominator term also. Okay, now what will be the result? Can you guess? A to the power m into n mn, that is b to the power pm, p into m pm. This is a power law or exponent law of indices. Now note it down. Let me draw this. Now next law is law of zero index. What is index? Index is power. Means if any quantity has a power 0, then its value will always be equals to 1. Don't get confused. B to the power 0, what will be its value? 1. 235 whole to the power 0, that is also equals to 1. Also, if you have a power 0, then also your value will be 1. Then don't get confused. Means if any quantity has a power 0, its value will be equals to. Next one is root law of indices. Law of INDICES. You understood? Root law of indices. What this law tells? Okay, index number means, suppose this is an index number has nth root. Suppose it have a nth root of a to the power m, means when the index number has nth root, then this root can be removed. But how you can remove this root? Means a to the power, when this power of this number is divided by its root, then root can be removed. This is a root law of indices. Don't get confused. What this root law of indices takes, if the index number or the indices has certain root, then that root can be calculated by dividing its power by that root. Okay, let me go through one example. If you have a confusion over here, let me tell you. If x to the power 9 is there, if cube root of x to the power 9 is there, then what will be the result of it? How you can find the answer of this? By using a root law of indices, you know x to the power 9 is there. While removing the root, what is its root? It is a cube root. 3 is there, means divide it by 3. That is equals to x to the power 3 that 9, means x to the power 3 is the required answer. So therefore, cube root of x to the power 9 will be this. This is a root law of indices.